Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox a Timex analog wall clock. I purchased this product from Flipkart and it came in a very beautiful box. At the back of the box one can find the specification of the clock. One AA battery was provided by the seller in the box itself. So one can start using the clock immediately after unboxing. As far as the build quality of the clock is concerned, the body is made of plastic and does not feel very premium. But the dial is very bright and the writings are very clear on it. One can see the time even in very dim lighting conditions. The diameter of the clock is about 13 inches. The second arm does not make any tick-tick sound and sweeps silently. It requires only one AA battery to run. It looks good and enhances the overall decoration of a room. Thank you for watching and wait for my next video.